Hello and welcome back, and welcome back to a review of two coins that have been issued by Guernsey in the Around the World in 80 Days series. This is the only one that's going to be released as a single coin, and there's two variants of it. One is the standard and one is a coloured. First of all, let's look at the standard. Let's zoom in. This one is the London coin, and what you have is you have the Round the World in 80 Days, and you have a train, and you have Phileas Fogg in the front of it. Just down here is Phileas Fogg. And you have a steam train making steam. I'm not sure what this is in this corner. It could be the Pall Mall Club or something like that, where it's set off from. You have that, and you also have the Round the World in 80 Days logo. This is the only one that's coming out as a single coin. There are 6 coin series which are either the standard or it might be this one. They do have a full coloured set, and there are 6 locations that are shown. There you got Phileas Fogg in his hat. You have the steam train making steam. Oh, it's Big Ben, or the Queen Elizabeth Tower as it is now. Big Ben, of course, is actually the bell that's inside the tower. And you have Phileas Fogg. Now this has come out as a 6 coin set, as I say. I believe there are six of the ones where there are just the standard Cooper nickel, and there is a set of 6 coloured ones. I haven't got either as yet. I'm just having a think about it before I commit to collecting the whole set. You can only buy it as a whole set as well. You can't buy the individual coins to make up the set, like I have done with the ship's coin series from Pobjoy. However, this again goes to show the difference between a standard Cooper nickel coin and a coloured coin. Just look at the difference. Look how much more punchier and how much clearer this coloured coin is compared to the standard Cooper nickel one. So my question to you is, are you going to collect this lot? Are you going to get this whole series, or are you just going to get the individual coin, or you're not going to bother at all? I believe Westminster are doing the full set for around about £45, I think it is, although don't quote me on that. It may be, I may have misread it, or I'm thinking of something else, but I think I saw £45 being mentioned. It's either 35 or 45. So, are you going to collect these? Are you going to get the coloured ones, or are you going to get the Cooper nickel ones? I know some people don't like coloured coins. I actually like them where it's not full colour, but it accentuates the design, and this one does it particularly well. You can, with the colour, you can spot the different parts of the design. So I'm happy to have these two. I'm not sure whether I'm going to get the complete set or not. That remains to be seen, and how far my budget will stretch in the next couple of months. But tell me down below what you think. Which would you collect if you were going to collect them? And have you collected them? Have you got them? Is the colour set on all of the coins as good as I think they could well be? tell me down in the comments below. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a very successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, as I've done here, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. If you're one of the people who've not yet subscribed to my channel but are a regular viewer, I would like very much for you to seriously think about subscribing to the channel, as I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes, etc, etc. I make no bones about the fact that I'm trying to grow the channel this year. I'm up to 78 at the moment as of recording, and I'd very much like to hit 100 before Christmas this year. It's slow going, but I'm hoping to make that achievement, and if you can help me, I'll be very, very grateful. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thanks for watching, and bye bye for now. Ta-da, bye bye.